Hello guys, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to recover your Twitter account. For that, first of all, open up your Twitter app on your phone. After you open up your app, at the bottom of your screen you can see the option of login. Tap on it. Enter your phone, email or your username. And when you're done, tap on Forgot Password, which is on your left hand side. Tap on the search button. Now, to reset your password, a code will be sent to you on your phone number or your email. Tap on Next. Enter your confirmation code and then tap on Verify, which is on your left hand side. After that, you need to set a new password and retype the password to confirm it. After you're done, tap on Reset Password. You'll have to now select the reason why you have changed your password and then tap on Submit. Tap on Continue to Twitter. This way you can recover your Twitter account. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.